Yeah, 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 yo. Check the strategy, simple and clean. Pine tree in the building, the trading machine. I'm looking at the charts, not for no drama, just for that sweet setup. Call it the inside bar gamma. It's a tight squeeze, a moment of pause, breaking to the upside or the downside without flaws. It's my bread and butter, my daily routine, capturing them moves, living the dream. Daily payouts, that's the motto, that's the creed. Planting these seeds, watching the money tree feed. With Take Profit Trader, got my account on lock. Apex Trader, no time to watch the clock. My funded futures account is looking so blessed. Pinning trees on a roll, putting skills to the test. Yeah. See, the market's a jungle full of noise and of fakes, but I'm focused on the signals, for goodness sakes. That inside bar forms a sign of compressed might. I wait for the breakout, then I'm in with all my might. Small moves, big impact, stacking every single day, cashing out that profit, there's no other way. They talk about the long game, the big wild swing, but I'm here for the consistency that daily payouts bring. Daily payouts, that's the motto, that's the creed. Planting these seeds, watching the money tree feed. With Take Profit Trader, got my account on lock. Apex Trader, no time to watch the clock. My funded futures account is looking so blessed. Pinning trees on a roll, putting skills to the test. Yeah, yeah. From the start of the session to the end of the line, I'm scaling and I'm swinging, making every penny mine. Don't need 100 points to feel a success, just a few ticks of profit to feel truly blessed. I'm a funded king with a plan so clear. No fear in this game, cause the strategy is here. Yeah, Payouts Trader, you know the name. Daily payouts, ain't it a shame that others are struggling, playing they silly games, while I'm on top, fueling the flames. Take Profit, Apex, my funded, yeah, you heard me right. Staying on that grind from the morning till the night, yeah. Daily payouts. Yeah. Yeah. See, the mark is a jungle full of noise and of fakes, but I'm focused on the signals, for goodness sakes. That inside bar forms a sign of compressed might. I wait for the breakout, then I'm in with all my might. Small moves, big impact, stacking every single day, cashing out that profit, there's no other way. They talk about the long game, the big wild swing, but I'm here for the consistency that daily payouts bring. Yeah. Well. I'm on a mission, the market's my canvas. Pine Tree Trader, that's the name, no need for the panic. Got my screens lit, watching the price move. Every tick, every chart, I'm in my groove. See an inside bar, that's a sign of a pause. The market's holding its breath, it's a break from the laws. Squeeze it up tight, coiling for a big move. I'm patient, I'm watching, got nothing to prove. Wait for the break, above or below. That's when I hit the gas, watch the profit grow. Apex funding on the line, my account's legit. Passing these challenges, ain't no time to quit. Inside out, outside in, that's the way we play. Taking that funding, stacking up profit every day. From Payouts Trader to Take Profit, we're on a roll. Tradeday the platform, we're in full control. Now let's talk about the outside bar, it's a different scene. It's a power move, a sign of something keen. Engulfing the last one, showing dominance and might. The bears or the bulls, they're winning the fight. It's a reversal signal or a continuation of the trend. Gotta read the context all the way to the end. I'm with Take Profit Trader, they've got my back, giving me the capital, keeping me on track. No more small accounts, no more holding back. I'm a funded trader, there's no turning back. My trades are clean, my risk is tight. I'm living this life, shining so bright. Inside out, outside in, that's the way we play. Taking that funding, stacking up profit every day. From Payouts Trader to Take Profit, we're on a roll. Tradeday the platform, we're in full control. engine, the charts are crisp and clean. Executing orders, a trading machine. Got my stops in place, my target set high. Pine tree trader strategy under the market sky. This ain't a gamble, it's a calculated art. Every setup I see, I'm playing my part. Yeah, pine tree trader, apex, take profit, stratify. We're in the game, you can't deny. From inside to outside, we're ruling the charts, building our wealth, breaking hearts. Peace out.
What is up? What's up, party people? What's happening? What's going on? What's up? What's up? Trader 007 Fiber Splice. Let's go. Smash the like button. Anthony Marquez. Man, I hate these names here. It's stupid. $250 rupee. I know that's not your real name. What's going on? Joyce in the house. Corey. What's happening? White Martin. Keegan in the house. What is up, Keegan? Cleaned up on NQ and Gold. Let's go, Fiber Splice. Yeah, had a pretty good day. Daryl in the house. Green Trump Red. What is up? Does anyone have a TPT Pro Plus? Oh, so the last time they moved me to Pro Plus, congratulations, by the way. The last time I went to Pro Plus, it took over a week. So, yeah. Took over a week. Green Trump Red. Toy Trade's husband in the house. Let's go, 250. JLD 54, what is up? Yeah, it took a while. Did I catch Kellyanne? No, I get my funded account tonight. I had one day I had to flip, so I get my funded account tonight. So yeah, so on the Tradeday Influencer Cup, I passed another account, so I'm officially the first trader. I don't know if it's a good thing or a bad thing to get to a funded account twice in the tournament. So, and I believe Ike is just passed one today as well. So I don't know who else passed. I'm gonna try to win it. Yeah. How'd you guys do today? You green? Let's go, 250. What was your name before 250 rupee? It's ICT something, right? Yo, Disturbed. Kamal. Green Day, let's go. Where's the Reds? Come on, we know some people had some red days. Or had a red day today. We know some people were trying to catch the top. Yo, Design. Lone Wolf in the house. Let's go. Tommy C in the house. You were red but ended up 27 green. Let's go. Digging your way out by guessing your way in and guessing your way out. Tori Trey's husband. Let's go. All right, Design. Thanks for stopping in, man. Trend day, but tough to buy highs. Yeah, for sure. It's Mo, bro. Pretty good day today, trading wise. Locked in a payout. Let's go. So last night on stream, I made 3,000 on that Lucid account. Let's see. Let me pull up my Lucid. I ended up just losing the money, taking the payout. It's $3,000. I think it's $3,000 payout. I'm not 100% sure on that, but let me check. Yeah, so I can request a $3,000 payout with Lucid. So you can see my stats right here. The old Lucid. Not too bad. First day was a bit of a glitch. Bit of a hiccup. But yeah, I managed to climb back. So yeah, I was up 2,900 last night. I ended up just losing some just to get myself under the consistency. So now I can request with Lucid, but I gotta see. I think I have to do my ID thing. Yeah, so you can see right here, I can request 3,000 bucks. But I think I have to do the ID verification, I think. I don't know. So I'll do that after stream, but yeah, I'm gonna take the max payout. Yo, Indian Burn in the house. Took an L yesterday trying to make an extra 300 bucks. Greedy wipes you out. Oh yeah, for sure. Definitely can. Great day today, Butch. I passed 5 Tradeday accounts today too. One shot. So I got 5 freshies down here. So Tradeday you can pass in one day. It's a little bit tricky because they have that daily loss limit. But yeah, 5 fresh accounts. Put those past. Yeah, besides that, I mean, it was pretty good. Oh, the My Funded Future accounts that I was working on, the evals that I got in the hole last night on stream on, I ended up blowing those 2. So that was the crappy part, but what are the payout rules for Tradeify? It kind of depends on which account you're going with. You interested in the advanced accounts, growth accounts, or the straight to funded? He's smoking a cigar, drinking a beer, done with the market today. Yeah. Yeah, I had a good trading day. I don't know, the rest of my day was okay. See if I can get the numbers to show on the screen a little better. Chart. Which Tradeify broker do you recommend? I'm trading with the Project X. Yeah, because of the lockout button. The lockout buttons, and but I like Tradeday too. But yeah, I mean, I'm trading with them on the Project X. But you guys know I love my trade of 8. So I had the lockout button, and I'm going to set these DLLs to try to help myself out. Yeah, the lockout button, so you can lock yourself out for the day. So if you go up here, you can just manually lock yourself out so you can't trade anymore. It's just risk lockouts, you know. So I can set personal daily loss limits. So I can set a personal daily loss limit and lock myself out. I can also like say I can also set the contract limits. So you can set the contract limits so it doesn't allow me to go full tilt and full port. You can also, you know, block out certain things like NQ and just trade MNQ or things like that, and that'll keep you from going on tilt. Yeah, they got a bunch of things built right into their system that I like. I also like the copy trading part of it, but you guys know I love my Trade of 8 charts with the, you know, I got my indicators on there with the inside bars and things like that. So yo, Jack Boom in the house. They still do lockout feature on Trade of 8, but you can just get rid of it, right, Caleb? If you're truly on tilt, you can just go in and get rid, like say and re-sign back in and get rid of it. You know, with the Project X, you can just lock it. You can lock the lockout for the day. So once I put in the personal daily loss limit, let me just do it right here. Because what I like to do is like set a personal daily loss limit. So I set a personal daily loss limit right here for 800 bucks. And then I'll liquidate and block, right? And then I save it. And then I lock it for the day. So I can't even go in and change it. So now I can't even change it for 23 hours. So no matter what, I can't blow that account. No matter what. It's impossible for me to blow that account tomorrow. It's just you know, prevents me from being me. But Coach Fred in the house. Golf guy Mike. What is up? The growth account. So yeah. Oh, market's open, guys. Ding, ding, ding. Good luck. I got Buellnox account. I picked one up today. Little Buellnox. I passed one. I haven't activated it yet, but I passed the Buellnox. And that's what I got going on. I got another eval going. Yeah, let me answer that question there about Tradeify. So the Tradeify accounts, it's pretty simple. 35% consistency on the accounts. You gotta have 5 days or more of $150, and you gotta get it up to 3,000 bucks on a 50K. And there's no payout windows anymore, which is nice. And you can request up to 1,500 bucks for your first payout, 2,000 for the second payout, 2,500 for the third, and then 3,000 for the fourth and up on the 50K accounts. So, pretty simple. And it's a 90-10 split. It's a 90-10 split. We ripping or dipping. Let's go. We are dipping. Let's go. What's going on, Helpful? Hey, what's up, Grant? Still in the game, but I gotta work back up unnecessarily. Yeah, today was a tough day. Oh, you had $80 to pass and kept trying to short NQ and blew 1,400. Yeah, it happens, man. These trend days are tough. They can be tough. I hate them. Unfortunately, I was pretty much out of the market, and I did recognize that it was a trend day, gonna be a trend day, and then I ended up picking up a Tradeday account eval and ended up getting that to like 900 bucks or whatever, just to get it to that 30% consistency. But Rex, are you tired of staring at charts all day, every day? You don't have to. Rashad, what's going on? I mean, you can set some alerts. If you have TradingView or NinjaTrader, I don't really know how to do it, but you can set some alerts. A lot of traders will do that, and then they don't stare at the charts. What's a gold up to? Everyone's favorite. It's the new hot chick in town. Gold. I think it's the chick that you find behind the Wendy's dumpster, but it is moving. Kind of can make or break you. Dump it, Corey says. Let's go. So yeah, so the market was super easy in hindsight today, right? You look at it in hindsight. If you look at even smaller time frames, like the 3 minute or the 2 minute, just bull flag after bull flag, you know, all in hindsight. You know, bull flag. Bull flag. Bull flag. So, yeah, really tough market. Kind of weird, but it just kind of goes with the theme. So we opened up with a monster gap, right? And on the overnight, so last night's stream, we opened up with that monster gap, 180 something points, right? And then absolutely never looked back. Had a wicked choppy night. I ended up getting chopped up real bad in this stuff here, and then pretty much after midnight or just before midnight, we just started rallying and never looked back. You know, all-time highs, just ripping 26,000. So yeah, so very interesting. We are giving back some right here, some of the slow grind from the do like this continuation, maybe perhaps on this candle. So I'm gonna cheap Bulenox account, $29 eval. If you guys are interested in Bulenox, it's use code PINE, 83% off. I believe the offer ends. Does it end tonight? Ends tomorrow. 83% off Bulenox. $148, Chris Gandy. Not the cheapest around, not the cheapest all in for sure, but I kind of like them for smash or pass, to be honest with you. I've gotten 9 payouts with them recently, I believe. I think it was 9. I like them. Trader's Nest, what's up? Lock it in, fiber splice, yeah. Lock in a set time. Futch, what's up? I had a tough day. Only took 2 trades. Protected my capital Wednesday, Thursday, Friday should be a big win. Oh, let's go. Only took 2 trades. That's good. All right, just getting a little continuation off the ORB 5-minute. Looking at a 3-minute chart here, I was like, what the heck's going on? Because something didn't look right. I'm like, why is there already 3, 4 candles? Like, get that 3-minute chart out of here. I don't want that. Get it out of here. You don't need that nonsense. All that noise. All right, pulling back into the gap here. No momentum. Gold a little choppy. It's going the right direction though. Chris Gandy, it is recurring, $29. Yeah, no, it rebuilds at 29. Yep. Same when they run 91% off. Like, I have a bunch that could be rebuild at 91% off. So they don't run it very often, but when they do, I usually load up and then I let them rebuild. It's one of the only companies that I let rebuild. Because it's so cheap. It's like I always have master accounts laying around, like funded accounts, which is nice. Hey Adam, Daz in the house. Diggity Daz. The new discipline Futch. Let's go. I mean, that's all we can really do, right? That's all we can do. We gotta get better. Every single day, we just try to get better. Just little steps. Kind of get sick of just losing money all the time. But yeah, it's all about the discipline, for sure. Yeah, no problem, Chris. Short it all the way to the Sunday gap. Wouldn't that be something? Love to do that on a Take Profit Trader Pro account. Pro Plus account. That would be really nice. There's a lot of people made some bank on gold today. I was seeing. Yeah, Lucid doesn't rebuild at all, too, guys. Good point, Peter. So Lucid, you guys are interested in Lucid? I just got a payout with them today, or I'm requesting a payout with them today, $3,000. Use code PINE with Lucid. They don't rebill. So they got a pretty good discounts going on right now. I believe it's like $74 for a 50K test account, up to $210 one-time payment. They don't rebill, so you can take your time with the accounts. So it's a one-time fee until you pass it or smash it. Tough to go short here. I was kind of just looking for a little scalp into this gap. But overall, I'm fairly bullish on this market. Just because, I mean, how can you not be at this point? And there's no news right now. I mean, no news came out tonight. So what's gonna keep it from not continuing up and to the right? You know, I mean, I don't know. It's like, what's the catalyst to bring it down at this point? We need some sort of catalyst. We need some news. We need I'd say bad earnings, but even that doesn't seem to matter. Yeah, not monthly on Lucid, yeah. Alright, I'm not liking this lack of momentum. I'm going to take one off. And I'm going to leave one. It's just no momentum to have two contracts going. I'm just going to leave the one for now. Keep my eye on gold. See what gold wants to do. Let gold set up a bit. Gold feeling a little heavy, feeling like it might. This could be a lower high. Looks like we have like almost like a triple bottom down there. Not quite, but. TJP in the house. Let's go. It's weird that you guys, the members, their names are correct. I believe. Maybe not. Zaid, what's up? What's up, man? What's up, Cody? Do I know the rules to get a payout with Buellnox or for the eval? The eval is pretty simple. It's just don't hit the drawdown. The payout, it's 31. God, I forgot. 3,100. Let's take a. Let me look at my payouts. I think it's 4,100 to take a $1,500 payout, Cody. 3,600 to take a $1,000 payout on a 50K. And and that's another thing, guys. Buellnox, I only recommend the 25K and the 50Ks because the activation fee goes up to like the. If you get a 150K or anything like that, the activation goes higher. So it's not worth it. So 25Ks and 50Ks for Beelanox. Hey, Terry Trades 100 in the house. It's your favorite song? This is me playing guitar. Wink, wink. No, not really. Gold short on Harami. Let's go, Mo. Let's go, Fiber Splice. Just got to the ferry dock. I feel like passing or smashing this account tonight. I feel like full porting, to be honest. Clicking the button. $3,000. Profit target. Liquidate. Save. So Beelanox you can pass in one day as well, which is nice. Just need a good setup here. Tilt Pine in the house, let's go. Let's go, Rashad. 3 more days to trade for a payout. Let's go. You got this. You got this. I'm gonna wait for an inside bar or something on gold and then send it. If I can catch it. Still in the short on a NASDAQ. Terry with a $50. Thank you so much, Terry. Guys, smash that like button too. We're gonna do a giveaway later, but we gotta get 200 likes. Get 190 people watching. We can do it. People filter in and out. Let's go. Let's give it up for Terry Trades 100. If you guys haven't followed Terry Trades, the host of My Funded Futures TV. Give her a follow. Well, trying to short NASDAQ. Not happening. If you guys haven't followed Terry, let's give her a follow. The link in the chat. Give Terry a sub. Let's go, Futch. Yeah, she streams in the morning, and I might be going on the stream tomorrow morning if I can get it to work. All right, see if we can come down here. Yeah, this market just doesn't want to quit. This is a bad move. that an inside bar? It was an inside bar. Damn it. That's what I get for not having Tradeday. Little inside bar long. Tisk tisk. Get me up early, I know. I've set an alarm. So one of the luxuries of being self-employed day trader is that you don't have to get up to any alarms. It's one of those luxuries. I certainly love it. No alarm. The only time I've ever had to set an alarm recently is to catch a plane flight. Well, I'm kind of well, I say I'm an early bird, but not as early as some. So yeah, I usually naturally wake up before New York Open. Anyway, but the internal alarm, yeah, for sure. YouTube 4 a.m. Oh, yeah. That's early. Lately I've been waking up around 7:30 or so. 7:30. Marty, thank you so much for the sub. I appreciate you. Guys, I'm giving away 150K Tradeday intraday account tonight. If we get to 200 likes, we got over 200 people watching. We'll do it towards the end of the stream. I know we can do it. Do I have a trade in pre-market? Oh, I do, yeah, for sure. When there's news, especially. I'm usually trading, but I mean, I gotta get out of this trade. This trade's not going well. Nice break off the inside bar. I really just need to wait for those inside bars. It's kind of ridiculous at this point. Do we have a small open gap up there? We kind of do, don't we? This is going for that open gap, isn't it? Flipping the switch here. So if we can run that 26,000 again. Yeah, thank you, Miss K. Smash the like. Let's go. Yeah, so I won that 150K Tradeday account for you guys. I did. I mean, I actually won it because of the Influencer Cup. Finishing first place last week in the evaluation stage. So, pretty awesome. Stash the bong. No bongs underneath the desk. No bongs. Plenty of munchies, but no bongs. Thank you, JCNQ. Yeah. No, I mean, you guys are awesome. I mean, you guys are great. Yo, you think Bookmap sounds like a bong? It kind of does. A little bubbly. $100% legal where I'm from. Let's go Fiber Splice. Alright, come on. Get up there. I should be trading gold. That's kind of where it's at, isn't it? Not really liking anything on gold at the moment. Canada went legal, so you had to get involved. Yeah, Maine is fully legal. Passed the trade date, but never tried bong map. Watching gold as well. Kind of just chopping around that 4,000 area, 4,000. But yeah, nice moves on these candles. Scary. Yeah, I'm in 3 minis on the NASDAQ and hasn't even budged. Come on, push up there. Kind of rejected off that 26,000. Pulling back down to the VWAP. All right, bouncing off the VWAP, the Project X VWAP, which I don't love, but it did just bounce off it. 25,093, 993. I mean. Bomb map. Gold bouncing off that VWAP. Gold trying to push up here. NASDAQ pulling back. I'm getting chopped on NASDAQ once again. I just gotta fade myself. Kind of putting in the... Yeah, this sucks. Putting in a bear flag now. Gold bounce. Yeah, kind of just holding that VWAP for now. Overall gold looking a little bearish if you look at the overall structure. So yeah, what I was looking at it was this trend line up here. Just kind of got a little trend line going, and I think as long as we stay below that, you know, we keep working our way down. If we break up above it, we could push with the gold, but do I ever look at inside outside bars in the higher time frames? Sometimes, yeah. But not as a rule of thumb. Just at night when I'm observing charts, but I don't trade off any of them. Watching gold here. Gold's putting in a tight wedge on a 5-minute chart. I feel like it's about ready to break out one side or the other. Thank you, Fiverr Splice. You need 250k drawdown to trade trend lines. It's true. It's kind of true, isn't it? It's like Nasdaq's trying to bounce a little. See if we can hold that VWAP. Bounce it. Break to the upside. I know it's going to fill this little baby gap up here. I have a little open gap on the Project X. I'll show you. You see the little open gap up here. Pretty sure we're going to try to fill that. It's just not going to be easy. It's just going to screw with you until it fills. But I think we fill it. That's my I think play. Keeping an eye on gold as well. Watching my P&L for Nasdaq. On the 15-minute chart, TJP, yeah. On gold. 2-wheel, yeah, I'm gonna do a giveaway. If we get to 200 likes, we'll do a giveaway. Let's give a shout out for Terry Trades 100 before the before it disappears up there for the $50. Congratulating me on a payout. Little payout party. Now you're witnessing a little post-payout degeneracy. PPDS, post-payout degen syndrome. Some of you members, you might notice that you have some emojis. Some new emojis down there. I don't know what they mean, but I made them with ChatGPT. I like the dude with the pine tree head. Yeah, the one with the little pine tree head. That's pretty like a dude. It's kind of funny. Five-minute inside bar on gold. Thank you. There's a 5-minute inside bar. Just rating this wedge here. We'll see what's gonna happen here. I'm liking the short on gold. I could get trapped. Let's see, 7, 5. Boy, it's so big. I mean, I should trade micros, right? Responsible. You know, trade responsibly. Like the drinking commercials, right? Cajun LA, we got a payout today. I did great. Pass some accounts. I did smash my Funded Future account last night. It was eval, or 2 of them, but 2 evals. But besides that, took a 3K payout and loaded up on some Tradeday accounts. Passed all 5 of those. 50K growth accounts. If you guys haven't traded with Tradeday, like give them a shot. Use code PINE. Yeah, I passed those in 1 day as well, which is nice. No activation fee either. And my Funded Future still has that promo going with the free flex add-on. So I will be loading up with some more My Funded Futures accounts tomorrow, but kind of limiting myself post payout. I don't want to like just, you know, start buying a ton of evals. Try to build up a little more slowly, a little more credit card friendly. All right, still watching the NASDAQ. We are long NASDAQ. Thank you, Cajun. Feeling lucky for today for the Moose race? Let's go. What day is Halloween on this year? Is it Thursday or Friday? Friday? Nice. That's good. It always sucks when, like, for the kids when they have Halloween on a school night, right? All right, NASDAQ just hanging out at the VWAP here. I'm looking to fill this little gap up here, just above 26,000. I actually thought we'd get a little momentum off that pop, but sort of didn't yet. So I'm in pretty heavy. Three net NQ contracts. Crystal Jackson in the house. Thank you so much for the sub. I appreciate you. Yeah, gold is yeah, it's coiling up. Yeah, putting in a little flag wedgie. As soon as it breaks out of this circle, this might be a good. So this is something I'm patenting. Oops. As soon as I can figure out how to draw it. So it's called the circle. As soon as it breaks out of the circle, then we're going. See, other streamers draw boxes. I draw circles. This is why I drive a Corolla and they drive Lamborghinis. Because I draw circles. I haven't quite figured out the the boxes yet. All right, it's kind of trying to break out to the upside, right? You buy it, right? I was kind of scared to take the inside bar long off the, just because we were just, you know, haven't broke this trend line yet, but this might be the catalyst. You want it to break down to the downside? Yeah. I would like to looking at the overall structure, you know, if we're just kind of, you know, looking at this, you know what I'm saying? That's kind of how it looks like right now to me. But that's just a guess. Which is dangerous, because a lot of times what happens is that I like the best trades just come to you, right? Naturally, if I'm constantly looking for the trade, that's usually the worst trades. Yeah. Just played the inside bar for 180 bucks. Let's go. Yeah, nice little scalp. It don't take much on gold. I mean, it really don't take much. I mean, you're talking 100 bucks a point, 100 bucks a dollar on gold. So you can rack up some bucks. I pretty much passed. I passed or hit consistency on some evals today with gold. I ended up going long on NASDAQ. I literally just closed my eyes and pushed the button long because I'm like, this is trend day. I waited for a little pullback and just kind of waited for that structure, you know, like a little pullback to the 9 EMA type deal, like a lot of people do. And I just hit the long button. And but yeah, and then I did trade some gold as well. But boy, gold is wild. When I pass an account with gold, I feel great, but then a lot of times it just gets smashed. Like, why am I trading gold? It's just over leveraging myself. Yeah, NASDAQ's just pulling back to the VWAP here. NASDAQ is just garbage. I'm gonna watch gold. Holy cow, I'm green, 731. You know what this is? Remember the last stream I was showing you guys on how easy it is as a streamer to show that you're green? So you can just do this. Streamer mode. Change the color to green. And you're green. Look at that. Green. Isn't that crazy? So when you see those streamers, and some of you guys know who I'm talking about, that black it all out and that are green up there, now you know why. So all you got to do is go over to Project X, right? And you go to miscellaneous, then you go over here and you can change the color. So we'll put it proper because I am red. I'm down 700 bucks. Quick fashion. Not happy about that, but that's alright. See? You can just change it whatever color you want. You can change it purple if you want. Change it purple. And then, let's see, go back. Because I got nothing to hide. Here, save. So yeah, I'm down 731 bucks on this Bewley. $29 eval. Don't want to smash it, but. Alright, we got gold. What is gold up to? God, I like the short gold. A short gold with tight stop. Another 15-minute inside bar on gold. Yeah, just very choppy. I'm waiting on a little pullback here on gold. Just a little micro pullback to hop in on the short. Place like a $300 stop. Just above the little swing high here, just above that trend line. Please do not follow my trades. If anything, I'm not financial advice, but I'd fade me. The last 2 nights have been horrible. Me streaming, absolutely been getting wrecked. So come on, get me in there. Tag me in here, 4,006.70 cents. Be nice. Con, yeah, you like that? I know, isn't that crazy? You can change the colors of those. I had no idea that you could do that. The money makers are holding off to the events later this week. I agree, Cody. Yeah, it's dead. Oh, come on, it's going without me now. Damn it. Yeah, it's kind of going without me. Be interesting if we break that VWAP. Alright. It's going without me. I tried to join the ask instead of the marketing in, and Corey, you look at the same thing? Let's go. Nice. I'm actually flat. I tried to hop in short, but I like it. Do you know why my chart on Tradeday is all bubbly on gold, even though I have it for candlesticks? Bubbly. Bubbly? I'm not sure. Bubbly. Oh, you're on the wrong contract, I bet. Are you in the right contract? Are you in GCZ contract? Grant? Is there like big spaces in between the candles? Like big huge gaps? I bet it's the wrong contract. Let's go, Ethan. 231 people watching. Smash that like button, guys. Let's get it over 200 likes. Thank you so much, Terry Trades, for the $50 donation. NQ putting in the inside bar now. It is, but boy, it is dead. Dead. Look at it, it's just flat. So yeah, so something to watch for. If you guys are just tuning in, there is a little small open gap here. Up there at 26,003. Little open gap in the price action, so kind of interesting. This might be actually a little trend line break here. That'll be interesting. I really like the gold short here, but damn, it's going without me. Every time I try to chase gold, I get smoked, like right there. Like I was thinking about hitting the sell button and then just bounced. Just bounced 3 points. Not 3 points, but like 2. Right off that, the wee wop. Back to the old NASDAQ. I'm watching that trend line there. Yo, Cove, what's up? Watching gold for over 4,027. Yeah, we got a little Tory trend line going on. Little flag action. NASDAQ's doing the same thing as what gold just did. Putting in a little wedgie. What's up, Red? You almost went short on gold too? I know. Well, see, as NASDAQ traders, you look at gold and you see a candle like that, and now we could get continuation down for sure. But like a lot of times, like NASDAQ, you get a wicked bearish candle and then you get continuation, right, with NASDAQ on momentum, on especially on a 5-minute chart. But with gold, it loves to just kind of do that and then pop, fill the gap, and then maybe go down. So that's something I've been observing at night. You know, I'm getting a little better at trading gold just because, you know, why not trade gold? Because it's moving, right? We like volatility as traders, but NASDAQ continuing to coil up here. Putting in the old duck beak. Printing money, sell the news. Let's go. What's up, Honest Take? Yeah, like watching paint dry. Yeah, no, the market's been pretty bad. We need some news. We're gonna have some news. We'll get some earnings coming out this week too. Check out the old earnings. Should be fun. So here's some earnings coming out this week. Tomorrow we got PayPal. Oops. Yeah, I don't have an account. I know, I don't have an account. We got Meta on Wednesday after hours. Then we got Amazon and Apple on Thursday after close. So that should be Interesting. I'm taking a NASDAQ long here. See if we can get up, push above that 2600 and fill that little gap. Full port. Yeah, FOMC for sure. Yeah. Wednesday and Thursday is big. Yeah, it should be fun. What's up, Pawn? Locked in that lucid payout. Pawn. I ended up just losing the money last night. Just to take that 3K payout. It's like, you know, why not? Haven't been trading the best lately, so... It's gonna give me $6,000 in drawdown, so it'll be nice. Like you gained weight. Let's go. There goes gold. Nice trade there. Nice short. Congratulations to those that caught it. NASDAQ trying to break out of this little trend line here. This little wedge pattern. It's trying. We're on a Buellanox eval. Come on, let's get those buys up. Pawn, it is board night. Yeah. You got it in a trade 35 minutes ago. I know, I managed to lose $738 just from getting chopped up going, oh, I'm going to go short. Oh, no, wait, I'm going to stop myself. Oh, I'm going to go long. But yeah, I'm holding this one. If we get stopped out on it, then so be it, but... It's trying to pop. Let's go, Tommy. Made 160 bucks. Let's go. God, it's just not moving. Should be just trading gold. If I'm gonna degen and lose money, I might as well just trade gold. At least it's moving. See, NASDAQ's trying to move up here. I'm watching my P&L. Gold looking like wants to move up. Right back down. Gold is going to pump the Chinese Open. It could. Yeah. Gold's definitely better after Asia. after the Asia Open. Exclamation point Pine in the chat. If you guys want to join the giveaway. Giving away 150K trade day account. Eval. Eastern time, yeah. Ultra. Go 8 o'clock Eastern, Asia Open. And then usually around 9. Whoa, gold. Hello. Just caught you guys going long, see? It caught you guys going long. Ouch. Now it's moving down. Let's go, Rubo. DH. Strictly per the daily loss limit. Love it. So no matter what, it's going to give you 5 days to trade. That's exactly how I trade most of my funded accounts lately. I love Trade Day, Anthony Cooper. Yeah. I think Trade Day is great. All right, Take Profit Trader and Trade Day definitely have their, if I'm comparing both, but I mean, I do like Take Profit Trader a little bit better because I think, passing the evals is a little bit easier. But yeah, so I think Trade Day is a little bit more difficult because the evals are tough. Jay Deasy, David T, thank you so much for these subs. Appreciate you. How can you enter the giveaway? Exclamation point Pine in the chat. Must be eligible for Trade Day, though, guys. Just make sure you guys are eligible for Trade Day. If you're not, then I'm sorry. No winning and then hitting me up, guys. I'm not sending you PayPal money. Trade Day uses Rise. Oh, that sucks, Felony. I don't know. I mean, I'm still on Rise with a bunch of people like My Funded Futures and we just hit Take Profit, didn't we? I didn't even watch it. We just hit Take Profit on that NQ. Filled that little gap there with 5 contracts. Only down 180 bucks now. So just made back about 600 bucks. So nice little pop off that wedge trend line. We were long. Now there's a winning trade, we'll show it. So yeah, we went long off the break. It started to break. Got a little lucky. We were 5 contracts deep. We had to stop down here at 90, 91. And I had to take profit just because what I was looking at was this little open gap from the open. This little break in price action. In the price, I mean. And I was just looking to get that filled right there. So we got filled there at 03. So yeah, so just got back quite a bit, but I was risking a lot. I was in 5 minis. But that's what's nice about the cheap evals. For me, personally, if I have an expensive eval, it's like, 150, 200 bucks or more, it's like, you don't want to full port those bad boys too often. So we're down 180 right now. Let's see if we can get it back. If not, that's okay too. The goal is to end green. If we had some more price movement, I'd love to send this bad boy and see if we get it passed, but I think the music died. Exclamation point pine in the chat. How did I make it back so quick? 5 minis. $100 a point. Still looking like it wants to move higher. So overall, the market's just super bullish. Like I was saying in the beginning of the stream, it's like what is going to take the market down, right? We don't have any news, major news, until Wednesday, Thursday. We could get a tweet anytime, but like what's going to take it down? And right now we don't have any catalysts, so overall I'm bullish right now. That doesn't mean I won't take a short just to take a scalp, but it will be interesting if we end up breaking the high and creating even more new all-time highs. Back to gold. Gold just kind of coming back, still coming down. It's continuing the downwards pattern, creating lower highs. And maybe some lower lows if it actually does break down there. We'll see though. So you're expecting 40 minutes ago, Pawn? I know. It's just terrible right now. Previous high is 26,026 on MNQ. Okay, and the NQ's previous high 26,013. They're gonna fix that. Yeah, next trade, Lou. I look at that stuff too. I love looking at that stuff. Those little nuances. And you're probably absolutely right. Exclamation point pine in the chat if you haven't want to join the giveaway. Smash the thumbs up. We're gonna get to 200 likes. We can do it. We have 240 people watching right now, so we'll do the giveaway. Appreciate the support, guys. We'll do the giveaway in about 30 minutes. Thank you so much, Terry Trades 100, for the super chat. Terry with the $50, congratulating me on the $3,000 payout I took today, which is a pretty sweet payout, not gonna lie. I like the hold and long on NASDAQ right now. I really do. I'm long NASDAQ. I'm gonna hold it. Got a $200 stop, so just over 10 points. Kind of get a little pullback here. I'm hopping in long. Looking to take out the high. Kind of like next trade loose. We're saying is that MNQ put in a high of 26,026. NQ put in a high of 26,013.50. So I think we repair that and run that. Little nuance play. So we'll hold it. Be bold and hold. Hopefully we don't get stopped out. Turtle markets right now? Yeah, for sure. Lyle Borger, thank you so much for the sub. Nomadic Trades, let's go. Thank you so much for the sub. Exclamation point pine in the chat. If you guys want to join the giveaway, smash the thumbs up. 150K take profit trader. Sorry, Tradeday account. Sorry. Tradeday account. Hopefully I can give you guys. So here's the deal. Take profit trader gives me 150K accounts if I can hit bonus. I have not hit bonus yet this month. So if you guys are trading take profit trader, and you like to use my code PINE, all caps, I appreciate it. And hopefully I could hit the bonus, and then I'll give away those 150K accounts. Take profit trader as well, but we haven't quite hit the bonus yet. So we have a few more days before the end of the month. So I appreciate it if you do. Let's go, Felony Finance. My favorite too. I have 3 TPTs right now. Passed. And I'm just flipping days. Flipping days with the TPTs. So I also have 3 Tradeday accounts. So I have 3 Tradeday accounts, 3 take profit trader accounts. Day 1 payouts, get the daily payouts with both of those companies, just great. So yeah, if you guys are trading with TPT, appreciate it. Using code PINE, all caps. And Tradeday is PINE with a capital P. So it is case sensitive, so it's PINE with a capital P. So if you put in PINE with Tradeday and it doesn't work, just put in the capital P, it should work just fine. I tried to get it changed, but it will not work. It can't get it changed under their system yet, so unfortunately. All right, NASDAQ moving up here. Taking a look at gold. Those that caught the gold short off that break, congratulations, got a nice win off it. Almost got 10 points off it. NASDAQ moving up here. Love to see it break the highs here. I think we run to the 20s pretty quickly. Quickly, as I mean by the end of the night. Let's go, Coach Singh. Thank you so much. Yeah, as soon as what's the Lucid discount right now? It's 30. I believe it's 35% off. Let me double check. Let me double check. Well, it's regularly $135 for a 50K account. If you use code PINE, it's $74. And I believe you get an extra 5% off if you're a new. So it's 45% off. I believe, I don't know if this is still going on. I believe it's 50% off if you're a new user. And then for the, that's for the regular accounts. For the straight to funded accounts with Lucid, it's just checking right now. Yeah, it's $216 off a 150K. So a straight to funded 150K with $6,000 in drawdown, which is the account I just got a payout on today. It's $500, which is a lot of money, but it's a pretty big account. So yeah, I think if you're a new user with Lucid, you get an extra 5% off, I think. Straight to fund is great. 20%. Essentially, you're getting paid to pass the eval, the way I look at it, because with a 150K, you got to get up to 9,000, like I did on mine. But you got to stay under 20% consistency, and you get a $3,000 payout. So it's like you're getting paid to pass the eval, because like a 150K eval, you got to make 9,000 bucks. The way I look at it is like I get paid to pass it. That's how I had to play it in my mind. But I mean, it's expensive, but yeah, no problem. Yeah, use code Pine Lucid. So that's the payout we got tonight. You can see it right here. Max payout. I gotta do my ID verification when I get off stream, but yeah, max payout eligible, 3,000 bucks. Let's go. So I got 3 Lucid accounts right now. I got 3 Lucid 150Ks, and I got 1 to pay out, and the other 2 are not quite. One's at like 3,000 bucks. The other one's at 2,000 bucks. So not quite to pay out. So getting there. I'm gonna grind them up. Hopefully I can take a nice 9K payout out of them, out of all 3. That'd be nice. All right, NASDAQ moving a little bit higher here. Looking for it to take out the highs. Looking to take out the session highs. 26,007. Hope we can take out the all-time highs on NASDAQ and push up to 26,025. That'll be a nice trade. Gold's moving again. Let's check out gold. NASDAQ's grinding higher, which is good for us. Oh yeah, gold's getting a little pop here. Trying to break that. Yeah, wow, gold is just. Right now it's putting in a higher low and a lower high. So it's kind of just diddling in the middle, just chopping in the middle here, right at the VWAP. Right at 4,330. NASDAQ's continuing to push. Hopefully we break that session high here at 26,007. We get a little pop up to the all-time highs pretty quickly, and then pop that. And then go right to the 20s. That's kind of what I'm hoping for. Could be the old hope and nope, but wow, gold's really pushing here. Jeez. Nice 10-point candle there. That's a $1,000 candle with 1 mini. Lyle says we're going to 4,170. I think he's looking at this gap up here. That's what you're looking at. I'm looking at that gap over on the 5-minute. It's a good possibility. Yeah, gold. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, I know. Kind of LOL gold just because had a nice slow grind down and then boop. Ran it for 10 points. Just took back 20 minutes worth of work. Making new session highs on NASDAQ now. Let's go. Currently break even on the session at the moment, unrealized. And we are not in the business to break even. We are in the business to make some money and get this eval passed. So here we go. Looking like we're going to try to repair that. Let's push to that all-time high. Get up to 26,025. Yeah, so this is what I'm looking at, Ultra, for me, myself. I'm looking at Nuance. So see this, we got the all-time high up here on MNQ, which is the micro, 26,026. I think we repair that like next trade Lou suggested, and I agree. This is more of an I think Nuance play. So I think NASDAQ could push up and kind of repair that area. Kind of what I'm thinking, especially where it's all-time highs, right? I just don't think it's going to leave a 10-point gap, you know, in the price between MNQ and NQ. It's more or less than I think play, right? Yeah, we got a little over 30 minutes, 40 minutes before the Asia opens, Trader Nest says. You hate trading all-time highs? Yes, it's very tricky. I feel like we're getting used to it a little bit. If you guys have been trading all summer. But I agree with you, Occasion. It sucks. I like big range days. You know, back and forth where you can, you know, get plays on both sides. That's what I like. Widen out these candles here a little bit so you guys can see. That's what we're looking at. I forget some people are probably watching on their phone and they're like trying to look for try to see the price. I know I do that. That's why hey, X Keith, thank you so much for the sub. When I'm watching or when I'm away from the screens, you know, I'm out riding the bike, going to get a smoothie, going to the gym or whatever, I'll watch other streamers to check out the price, where it's at. And sometimes I'm like squinting, I'm like trying to see the price. You don't know how long you've been in this trade, but you're at 500. Let's go. I like it through the 20s. We'll see. Asia could open up and just rug pull me, and then go right down to the open gap down at the Sunday Globex Open. We don't know. Was I watching Terry this morning? Yeah, I just had woke up and then she was getting off, so I'll be on Terry's show tomorrow morning. If you guys want to check it out, I'll put Terry's link in the chat. So tomorrow morning, pre-market. If we can get it to work. There's the pop through the all-time highs here. 26,017 on the pop. Immediately rejecting though. Just kind of ran those stops, immediately rejecting. I don't think we're over. Like I said, we got that nuance up there, 26,026. Yeah, I just ran stops big time. Now let's see if this can build up a little more momentum. Let's go, Brady Bruss. Let's go. Held that for $1,500 across 5 accounts. Hitting that 50%, I take it. Let's go. Wow. Big rejection there at 26,017. Just kind of tooling around. I think it still goes, though. Yeah, TBT, yeah, it doesn't update till later at night. Yep, for sure. Let's go. Used up those 5 credits. Let's go. Yeah, I hit that 50%. They're playing with you next trade? I think so. They're playing with me too. Thank you for pointing that out, because I did miss that little nuance, and I think I'm agreeing with you big time. I think we do repair that. I mean, we even left the open spot up here at 1725. Let me show you guys. See if I can show you. See how it leaves these little price, these orders, these little gaps. It likes to fill those too. There's just a little nuance thing sometimes I'll watch when the market's slower. So that just kind of gives me a little more confirmation that we could push up higher from here still. I like to look at that kind of stuff sometimes. Those little open orders. It's a Meow Meow song. Woo! I'm getting wild, guys. I'm adding on this break. In 2 contracts now. Seem to be holding up. Bottom of the hour here in 1 minute. Adding to this long. If 2 payroll requests still in limbo with TPT. Huh, that's weird. When did you request, Brady? Been lagging two days. That's weird. Huh. Yeah, that's very strange, Brady. I just read your message. 2 days. Huh. Strange. They don't have the best customer support. Do you know who has really great customer support, believe it or not? Bulenox. Bulenox has great customer support. Do I ever trade micros? Sometimes when I'm feeling like a puss. I'm just kidding. No. Yeah, sometimes I do. Sometimes I do. I just don't know why I'm a mini guy. All right, here we go. We're pushing up through. As soon as we get out of this trade, I'm gonna yeah, start firing up the giveaway. Requested one last week, it took over 24 hours, and requested another one last night. Haven't gotten an update. Have another. That's really weird, Brady. Yeah, I don't know. Do I think Lucid is one of the best straight to funded? I do like Tradeify too. But I think Lucid, I got my Lucid accounts on a deal. I think I paid like 400 something. Right now they're about 500 for the 50K. I think I paid around 440 or something, 450. I think they're a pretty good deal. Yeah, I do like them for sure. I think Tradeify is one of the best as well for straight to fundeds. Let's get up through there, that 1775. Let's go. Saw someone else with the same problem, Ricky? That's weird. They might be having some issue on the back end, but they're behind helpful? That's weird. It's good to know. You know who hasn't gotten a payout with Take Profit Trader? This guy. Lately. I got a few, 2 weeks ago, and it was fine. They were fine. Was it a week and a half, 2 weeks ago? I don't know. I posted a short video about it. Whenever that was. But I haven't gotten any lately. The old gold inside buy. Check out the gold. Oh yeah, look at the gold breaking out there off that inside bar, guys. So the 5-minute inside bar on gold's been paying big time. So if you guys are interested, check that out. She's going. But yeah, definitely nothing wrong with trading micros, guys. I think micros, especially with gold, you can make a lot of money, like real quick. If you trade minis with gold, you can make a hell of a lot of money, but you also can blow up your account super quick. 2 or 3 micros on gold, for me, you can make a G during Asia trading gold with a few micros if you catch some nice moves. So yeah, just keep that in mind. I can't give you financial advice, but just keep that in mind. Like, you can make some bucks. It's very over leveraged gold, and the movement, some of these candles are 10, 15 points. That's 1,500, 2,000 bucks on one 5-minute candle on gold. So is there no end to this madness? I know. Lit. I mean, I'm telling you, it's just hit the buy button, right? Helpful. Let's go. We've had the best month with TPT. Take Profit Trader for the win. Yeah, daily payouts in general. So there's that little repair that we talked about. The little gap in price. See how it just filled it? It was up there, what, 1775, and there was a gap on the fills, and it just filled it. Now it's pulling back a little bit after that little fill, but I think we move higher. If you guys haven't hit the like button, please hit the like button. If you haven't hit the subscribe, please subscribe. Please use !Pine in the chat. We'll do the giveaway here soon. We'll do it in 10 minutes regardless if I'm still in this trade or not. Thank you so much. We are giving away a 150K Tradeday intraday account. It's my prize for the getting first place in the old Tradeday Influencer Cup that we are currently. So we finished first place in the Influencer Cup. Let's take a look here. Trade day. So here we are. So we finished first in the evaluation stage. I have passed the account once before, and now I passed it again. So we'll be in the funded stage starting tonight, or as soon as I get my account, whatever. And there's only this week left, so hopefully I can take down the prize for first place. But regardless, my game plan is to not blow the funded account. So no matter what, I can't blow the funded account. So that's the game plan. I'm taking my eight reset foot soldiers. I'm taking out Kellyanne. Let's go. Sherry, what's up? Yeah, congratulations, Helpful. That's awesome. I'm so glad to hear it. 20K in payouts. This is in October, Helpful. Helpful, you're in a groove, man. Just keep doing you. Don't change anything. Don't tweak anything. I was talking about that with someone today, like about tweaking the strats, tweaking this. It's like, if something's working, just keep riding it. Sometimes micro gold is too much. It's true. So what you're saying is full port silver? Right. Cody. Why did everyone stop? Why stop trading it? I can't speak for anyone, but it's difficult. I mean, it's mentally difficult trading the tournament, putting yourself out there, letting everyone see your resets. I love Nutty Bar, but yeah, I mean, I think he stopped too. He's the one that wanted the reset counter on there back when he had 0 resets. So they added the reset counter later in the competition. And so after everyone, like a lot of people already just full ported accounts to try to get a good head start. And yeah, they wanted the reset counter after. But yeah, a lot of those people quit. Kellyanne doing awesome, 0 resets. So, but yeah, a lot of people are done. It's kind of a pain in the butt putting yourself out there. I think Ike, the Forex Ike, I think he passed today. So I think Forex Ike passed today. He needs to flip a few days, but he passed. And so I think it'll be us 4. I'm not sure what Myth did today. Not sure what Myth did. But yeah, I think all these other people they quit. They're done. From what I see. Which is cool. Kudos to everyone that like put themselves out there to do it though. I'm not tweaking a damn thing, Helpful says. I don't blame you, man. You want the 90-10 split? You'll get it. You'll get it. If you just keep staying consistent and getting payouts, they'll put you in Pro Plus. Exclamation point Pine in the chat. We'll do the giveaway here in 5 minutes. If you guys haven't followed me on X, you can follow me on X with Pine Tree Trader. At Pine Tree Trader, I mean. Put it in the chat there, my link, Pine Tree Trader. Almost, oh, actually, I got over 1,000 followers today. Let's go. 1,001 followers on X. That's cool. That took a long time. Get over 1,001. Get over 1,000, I mean. But I post stuff pretty regularly. I'm also on Instagram and TikTok. If you guys want to. Wow, we are pulling back here. We can't seem to break through there. I think we will. But I did add to this trade, so I'm in 2 minis. And I'll put the link in the Discord as well if you guys want to join the Discord. It's completely free for now. For now. I'm just kidding. That's where the money is. Paid Discords, guys. Cha-ching. Get a paid Discord. You go in there, and then you go in there and just trade one micro for your paid subscribers. All right, we added to this trade here. Gonna stop down here at 675. Looking for a little more than 1-to-1. I figured we'd actually get a little more momentum off that, but we haven't yet. All right, let me start firing up the Discord. Not the Discord, the Moose Race. We're gonna do the Moose Race tonight. Thank you so much for the likes. Must be present to win. Okay, I'm just finding the... Holy cow, this is going to be a record moose race, guys. It's going to be a record moose race. Alright, I'll give you guys 1 minute to get into the moose race. 1 more minute. And that's it. Calling it. Exclamation point Pine in the chat. Giving away 150k trade day account, intraday account, eval. Pretty awesome. Thank you so much for being a supporter. And how's gold looking? Let's take a look. Whew. Gold pulling back here, but man, kind of broke out of this structure, right? So we got this trend line structure, kind of broke out, and yeah, moving up higher. Whoever it was that called that, he goes, "This is it. Going to the moon after this candle here." Sort of right so far. It's pushing up. All right, we are gonna do the moose race. Thank you so much. Thank you, Terry Trades 100 for the $50 super chat. Take a look at that again one more time. $50 super chat, Terry Trades 100. Appreciate that. And find me tomorrow on Terry Trades 100 show. Not the My Funded Futures show. Her show. If we can get it to work. We're going to do that after the stream here. We're going to test it out. This is going to be a record moose race. $322 Mises in the race. I only have 273 likes. I mean, I should at least have 322, right? Let's go. I need to put on. I do have to put an alarm on for that show, Fred, for sure. All right, we'll leave that trade on. Here we go. We're gonna do the moose race here. Good luck, everyone. Must be present to win. And also, you must not be banned from trade day, right? So, good luck. I see if I can actually see any names. This is 320 something Mises. I see Arnold Blas. A lot of alt accounts in here, I can tell. That's okay though. K Trades Futures. It is Rubbins racing on this one. Man, these moves. Mises. Who we got? We got Michael Scorza. Let's see Michael Scorza. We got BW. Lord Cuddy. Let's go. K Trades Futures on the outside, making that move. We got 16. Smash the 1. Gives you the boost. Quickly. 10 seconds. Here we go. 5, 4, 3. Who's it going to be? Oh, someone coming through the middle. Who's it going to be? Mellow Hours. Mellow Hours. Must be present in the win. If not, we were going to run it. Mellow Hours. I see Mellow Hours in there. Let's go. Mellow Hours. Congratulations. I never win. I know. It's getting harder and harder. I used to have like 12 people in the race. Now it's 300. Congratulations, Mello. Oh no, Coach Fred in last place. Coach Fred in last place. Sorry, Coach Fred. Well, Coach Fred was full porting. If you ain't first, you last. That's what Coach Fred said. So he blew the NOS right at the starting line. How's our trade looking? We're still green. So Mellow Hours. Are you in the Discord perhaps? Oh, sorry. What place were you? I'm sorry. I already clicked off it. My bad. If not, that's okay. You can join? Let's go. Yeah, that's way easier. Let me throw up the link here. There's a link to the Discord. What's your Discord name, Mello? Still in this trade here. I like it. I like it to break through the 20s. We're down a little bit, 183 bucks, but we were down 700 something. We had a nice trade to the upside. Where is it, man? Okay, cool. Yeah, I'll as soon as you join, I'll just DM you, and then I'll give you the code. So, taking along on gold. Let's take a look at gold. Got about 10 minutes before market. Asia opens. Big 8 micros. Let's go, Echo. I like it. All right, I just DM'd you. And let me see. Let me pull up. I'll tell you what, mellow hours. Do you? I'll give you the choice because some people don't like 150Ks. Do you want a 50K or you want a 150K? I'll give you the choice. It's an intraday, 150K intraday trade day. So you can take a 150K or a 50K. All right, 150K, let's go. He messaged me on the Discord. I don't need anything from you. There, I just sent you the code. That should work just fine. Hopefully. All right, guys. I'm gonna leave this trade on, but I got something I gotta do. I gotta get set up for to be on Terry Trades 100's show tomorrow morning. So I gotta get the Streamlabs set up or make sure it's all set. If you haven't given, if you guys want to give her a follow and check me out tomorrow morning. Probably right around 8 Eastern time. We're around 8 Eastern time or so. So just before the My Funded Futures show, basically. So smash that like button on your way out. Thank you for using code PINE. I also pinned to the top of my chat there is, yeah, no problem, Mello. Thank you guys for being supporters. I mean, the only reason why I got those accounts because you guys have been supporting me, help support the channel by using code PINE with Tradeday, especially for Tradeday. PINE with a capital P, but that's why they allow me in that influencer cup. So it's because of your guys' support. There's my website down at the bottom, so that's all my codes and links to the codes. And you know, I'm gonna look to try to improve the website as time goes, but so there's my website, propcodeshub.com, and appreciate you guys using Pine for My Funded Futures. Tradeday, Pine with a capital P, Tradeify. Yeah. Take Profit Trader too, guys. Hopefully I can get that bonus for Take Profit Trader. So if you're using Take Profit Trader, use code PINE, all caps, Take Profit Trader, and get those bonuses, and I'll be able to give away some 150k accounts if I can hit that bonus by the end of the month. So we're not there yet, but hopefully we can get there. But yeah, thanks guys for hanging out. Stay tuned for the outro, and I'm gonna grab a quick bite to eat and then get my Streamlabs test done with Terry, and I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. If not, I'll see you guys. Oh man, NASDAQ, what are you doing to me? Coming down now? I'll see you guys tomorrow night, same time, same place, right here. I appreciate it. This is a fun stream too. So 2 great streams. Anyway, guys, I will see you later. Peace. Later.
I'm on a mission, the market's my canvas. Pine Tree Trader, that's the name, no need for the panic. Got my screens lit, watching the price move. Every tick, every chart, I'm in my groove. See an inside bar, that's a sign of a pause. The market's holding its breath, it's a break from the laws. Squeeze it up tight, coiling for a big move. I'm patient, I'm watching, got nothing to prove. Wait for the break, above or below. That's when I hit the gas, watch the profit grow. Apex funding on the line, my account's legit. Passing these challenges, ain't no time to quit. Inside out, outside in, that's the way we play. Taking that funding, stacking up profit every day. From Pine Tree Trader to Take Profit, we're on a roll. Tradeify's the platform, we're in full control. Now let's talk about the outside bar, it's a different scene. It's a power move, a sign of something keen. Engulfing the last one, showing dominance and might. The bears or the bulls, they're winning the fight. It's a reversal signal or a continuation of the trend. Gotta read the context all the way to the end. I'm with Take Profit Trader, they've got my back. Giving me the capital, keeping me on track. No more small accounts, no more holding back. I'm a funded trader, there's no turning back. My trades are clean, my risk is tight. I'm living this life, shining so bright. Inside out, outside in, that's the way we play. Taking that funding, stacking up profit every day. From Pine Tree Trader to Take Profit, we're on a roll. Tradeify's the platform, we're in full control. Tradeify's the engine, the charts are crisp and clean. Executing orders, a trading machine. Got my stops in place, my target set high. Pine Tree Trader strategy, under the market sky. This ain't a gamble, it's a calculated art. Every setup I see, I'm playing my part. Yeah, Pine Tree Trader, Apex, Take Profit, Tradeify. We're in the game, you can't deny. From inside to outside, we're ruling the charts. Building our wealth, breaking hearts, peace out. Yeah, Pine Tree Trader, Apex, Take Profit, Tradeify. We're in the game, you can't deny. From inside to outside, we're ruling the charts. Building our wealth, breaking hearts, peace out. Tradeify's the engine, that's the way we play. Taking that funding, stacking up profit every day. Yeah. From Pine Tree Trader to Take Profit, we're on a roll. Tradeify's the platform, we're in full control. Tradeify's the engine, the charts are crisp and clean.